Hi, I'm Oscar, founder of Unlimited Spanish. I want to congratulate you for registering for this mini course because you are about to discover how to learn Spanish more effectively. Today I'll be talking about a way to accumulate vocabulary that works very well. A key process in learning a language is how we acquire vocabulary. The more words you understand in Spanish, the better you read, listen, write, and speak in Spanish. Okay, there is a key idea that I want you to keep in mind. Your brain loves context. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Now, let's take a look at a few different strategies for learning new vocabulary. First, making lists. You have the words in Spanish in one column and the meaning in your language in the other column. Although many people use this method, this simply doesn't work. The two main problems are that lists are usually too long and the words are weakly related to each other. A list of words does not provide any context for your brain. A better approach is to learn phrases instead of just words. Let's say we have this phrase: Un hombre estudia español en el parque, which means a man studies Spanish at the park. We want to learn the word hombre, which means man. Here, we immediately get some context. We can easily imagine a possible scenario. A man, hombre, goes to the park, he sits on a bench, opens a book, and studies Spanish. It's easy to imagine a situation when we see the phrase because something is happening. The more vivid the image is, the better you will learn. And remember, your brain loves context. With this approach, there are multiple advantages. You can learn faster. You are learning several words per sentence, not only one. You can learn the correct word order from the beginning. By studying phrases, you always see the natural position of each word. You can subconsciously learn grammar. The verbs are always in the correct form according to the rest of the sentence. But wait! There is even a better approach for learning vocabulary. Learn through stories. Stories provide a much richer context because many things are going on in the story. This way your brain can learn Spanish in a more subconscious, natural, and deeper way, making it easier to write and speak in Spanish. You remember what I said before, right? Your brain loves context. Okay, let me briefly show you an example from one of my courses to illustrate this point. This is the audio text of one of the Unlimited Spanish courses. It's about two penguins who want to escape from a zoo because they love surfing but can't practice at the zoo. I like creating funny and creative stories that help the students to learn even more. As you can see, it's a short story. Easy sentences, rich context, and a translation on the right of the page to check the meaning in case the student needs it. Alright, so the rule you have to keep in mind is: Rule number 1. Always learn vocabulary in context. It's very effective to study text, like stories, since they provide the richest context possible. That's very important for automating your Spanish and finally being able to speak without translating in your mind. Today, we've seen how to accumulate vocabulary. Tomorrow, I'll talk about a very useful technique for mastering Spanish grammar, which is one of the most difficult problems for a Spanish student. Okay, bye for now and have a great day.